another vlog with yours truly, Texzle. You guys probably already know what's going on from the title of this video, and I do look a little bit tired, but the only reason why I look a little bit tired is because of this. There's a lot of shit everywhere, but to get these suckers to get them out is a bitch. But that's what I'm gonna be doing today. It's early in the morning, you know, might as well start. This is the intercooler. I put some tin foil just in case, and then we'll get in this one. I cleaned them out as well, but we're talking probably like 100 plus bolts just to get that out. And I also found out where my leak was at too. It's actually a power steering leak, and it's actually very simple to fix. You just need a clamp. I just don't have one, so I'm hoping my cousin will come through soon so I could go to the store and fix it, but he hasn't replied to me, so fucking dick. Alright guys, so I know I kind of did a poor start of starting the project, but check it out. Basically what you have to do is remove all the screws from the panels and the bottom panels in order to actually get some access to this part right here, which is what this part right here, so it allows you to release from the bumper. But once you do that, you actually have to loosen this up as well, and there's actually something that hangs on to this part as well, so you have to pull it off. It's this thing right here, so you have to loosen all the bolts up on that one. Same thing on the other side, but when you get to the part where you're in here, you actually have to loosen a few bolts. So you got, let's see, you got one down here, or actually hold it, let me see. Yeah, you got one down here, one up here, one up here. I'm pretty sure you got one up here, and then you have something else holding it right here. See where my hand at? So you got those bolts on both ends to remove it. And you also have to pull out the lights. I tried to freaking disconnect this one, but that shit was not coming out, so I just left it there. But you pull out the lights so that way you got more easier access into it. I was gonna take off the air ducts, but that shit will not freaking come off, so you know how it is. Yeah, and then to get these off, I think the easiest way to do it would be to actually loosen this up just a bit, the reservoir, so that way you can have some room back there so it can move. Oh shit, oops. But this bolt is right here, so the best way to loosen it, in my opinion, would be to use a little ratchet, or not a ratchet, just one of these suckers, and then just loosen it up, and then you could unhand tighten the rest. It's not that tight, it's just the spot it's in is pretty tight. But yeah, that's what you're looking at. Let me show you a size comparison first. Okay, so this is the size comparison. It's kind of hard to tell, but you could tell. Oh shit, you can see me. But yeah, you got those. I actually do got new hoses too, because those ones are kind of weird, so I got those. They're actually a lot heavier too, like way heavier. This is very light, and this one, you know, heavier, but we'll see what happens. Hopefully it works, because I don't know, you know how some parts don't always work. Alright guys, so we just came to AutoZone because I need a clamp. We got FreshUpgrade here. Alright guys, found the clamp. Hopefully this is the right one. I know it's the right one. This guy was judging me. Alright guys, so we're back. We got the clamp there. That's just for the leak I have under. But we're actually gonna try to remove these air ducts because these things are too damn big to fit behind this shit.
No, dude, give me the drill.
I don't have a drill.
Oh, you don't got a drill.
I mean, I got a screwdriver. Alright guys, so we actually got them all on. We got both of the intercoolers on. Just to let you guys know, you're gonna have to kind of like fabricate these ones a little bit, because from stock to this it's way bigger, so you're gonna have to kind of mess with it. And we also didn't put on the back screw that goes back here because it won't reach it either way. Everything else is on the what's it called, the windshield wiper or the coolant reservoir. That's on. The blow off valves are in here. Oh shit. they are right there. This thing, but I don't have a different one, so I'm just gonna keep it that way for now. We got the cuz over here working on his side. What the hell was that? Anyways, but all we're doing right now is basically just tightening the clamps right now, because there's a lot of fucking clamps. But yeah, guys, going well so far. I don't know if you guys can see, but we got the wheel. Basically, this is the brake right here, the wheel. And my leak is right here. So I put duct tape on, oh shit, it just leaked. But anyways, I put duct tape on this one because it had a tear right there. But this part right here is where the leak is at, this part. See how there's no clamp? What kind of idiot does not put a clamp on it? It's important to do. Well, you also got the turbos. It's hard to see, but there's one right there. And I'm not gonna show you the other one because it's the same shit. But,
6,000.
huh?
We just said 6,000 likes.
Take a look at Mr. Sticker Money.
6,000.
You guys all need to go to his page and give him another like. Get him to 10,000.
Just get it.
All right, guys. So my cousin just left, and we actually got everything bolted on. It took a little bit of time, but so far it's going very well. This is what you're looking at. I think one of the best tips I could tell you guys is make sure to kind of put oil not inside of this thing, but like around the piping and on the intercooler, so that way you can just slide it in there, because if not, you're gonna have a hard time. But right now I'm just gonna put everything together, the bumper and everything, and then yeah, show you guys what it sounds like, how much power I get. Alright guys, so I actually got everything connected again, all the bolts. It did take a while, but we got all the fenders, all the panels on. I do have to put this on, but just in case, you know, I left it. But as you guys can see, wheels are on too. I still have to tighten them because they're still on jacks and stuff, so I'll probably lower it in a second, and then we'll take it from there and then give you guys a little run what's going on. Alright guys, so I forgot to tell you guys, I forgot to record, I'm gonna be honest. But I'm here at FreshUpgrade again. I got my little Coke on the spoiler. I mean, I think that's what it's for, but I don't know. So it ran really good. I mean, at first it ran kind of shitty, but I had to unplug the battery and then plug it back in like a few minutes later, so that way it can like reread everything, because it was idling funny. So now that it's in, it's all good. There's no leaks anymore. That's good. The blow off valve still still shitty, but you know, in time I'll switch it up. But yeah, man, I'm probably gonna show you guys some rollers in a bit, and then probably tomorrow we're gonna go to the meet, see what's up, see how everybody reacts. Alright guys, it's actually pretty dark only because my phone was dead and I was doing too much stuff and I fell asleep. Also got a haircut. So yeah, I was just too tired to pick up the camera again and just to keep recording. But right now I'm about to show you guys what it sounds like. I'm gonna take a left. That's the car right now. You guys can't really tell because of that fucking gap. Got shit in there. But I'm at Walmart. I had to get some a little stand for my camera because my other one got fucked. Alright guys, so I got myself a stick because this is what's gonna hold my phone. I was just thinking about this. God damn. That could be a brand new subwoofer. Maybe some injectors. We'll see, man. Alright guys, so just made it home. About to go inside. Maggie! Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? I've been watching Goon Squad lately, so they got Thomas the Technician, and I got, come here Maggie, come here. They got Thomas the Technician, and I got Maggie the Mop. So in case, you know, shit get dirty, I got her just in case. Alright, I'm gonna go to my room and then let's get Alright guys, so I just made it home, you know, just chilling in my bed, and Maggie just likes to sit wherever, right Maggie? Damn mop. But yeah, so that's basically the gist of it. If you guys really need some more help, just let me know. I can do a detailed video if you guys want, like exactly how to do it and the way I did it and the easiest way of doing it. But I mean, if you guys don't want it, then it's okay. Probably the next few things coming up for it will probably be the bumper, some blow-off valves, which are kind of difficult because honestly there's some weird looking blow-off valves on this car. It's not like a normal HKS blow-off valve, it's a really weird looking thing. Let's see what else. We might get some HIDs. I might go and dyno it again. Even though supposedly it's already dynoed at 15 pounds. I doubt it's 15 pounds. It feels like it's 12. But I'm probably gonna go take it to a dyno shop, probably Specialty Z, and then see if I can dyno it for 15 pounds. But yeah, I mean, hopefully you guys enjoyed what you guys saw today. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. See you guys on the next one, alright? Stay tuned.